Hey guys, we're doing the teams for the $5 mix break. Random is live. Participants 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And the teams now. We're going 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Random is complete. The teams are Najesh, Warriors, Timothy Price, Bucks, Mr. Mendoza, Mavericks, Mr. Aaron Price, Suns, Mr. Smith, the Wolves, Mose with the Heat, Shane Scott, Raptors, Boyd, Clippers, Millie, Pacers, Joseph, Bulls, Mr. Blunt, Sixers, Benjimac, Rockets, Blunt, Nets, Simi with Cavs, Padron, Pelicans, Guy Bell, Nuggets, Alex Stewart, Hornets, Justin Marsh, Grizz, Boyd Martin, Lakers, Mr. Lalaga with the Spurs, Boyd Martin, Hawks, Benji Mack, Knicks, Aaron Coulson, Wizards, Tim Watson, Blazers, Rodney with the Magic, Grant McDonald, Thunder, Alex Stewart, Jazz, Chaz with the Kings, Blake with the Pistons, and Grant McDonald with the Celtics. And that's it.